Let's replace the handles on the bottom right drawer of this entertainment unit. Most of the time, the hardware used on case good items is attached with screws. I'll begin by setting up my safe workspace inside a padded blanket. Using a screwdriver, I'll remove the door from the unit by unscrewing the hinges. Next, I'll unscrew the hinges from the door as well as the handles. Using new handles, I'll repeat the process in reverse, screwing in the new handles, attaching the hinges, and finally reattaching the door to the unit.